Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo and I'm here today to introduce you to a brand new As Seen on TV launch. This is the Extraordinary Easter Gift Box. Mouthful, I've got to say. I'm not going to be repeating that one, but this is a really lovely little gift box, although not so little really. It's going to be perfect for Easter for you. Great for gifting those Easter eggs and little Easter treats that you want to give to people as well. Let's have a look at the die set first of all then. So this is what we have. It's one of our smaller A5 die sets, so a nice compact one, but as you can see, fully loaded with dies. We do have full instructions inside the pack as well. So here is your die set. It's a pretty easy construction. There's not too much to it, although it looks a little complicated. I promise you that it isn't. So you've got your lid and your base pieces in here. And then you've got lots of decorations in here. Now I'm going to see if I can read these. For a dear friend we have in here. Have an excellent day. Of course, there had to be an egg pan in here. Happy Easter at the top here. I think that's all the sentiments. We do also have actually a backing plate for this sentiment too, so you can cut this out and layer it up. And then the patterns that we have in here, there's a little Easter bunny hidden in this one. There's a lovely Easter egg in here, and then we've just got lots of florals dotted throughout. There's another little egg just down in here as well. So it's very Easter and spring themed, super cute little die set. Let me show you what this makes. It is a very fun little gift box, I think. An interesting shape. So let's start with this one up here. This one is from Vicky. So here is the box. You can see it's got this fun little arched top. I love how it goes in here. So you've got like a triangular top to it. I love as well the fluted bases that we've got here and on here. Reminds me of, what do we do that had a similar thing to that? Was it the babushkas? The Russian nesting dolls? They had a very similar kind of thing that kind of overlapped the base and the lid. And you literally just lift the lid off and you've got this good size base in here. So, you know those Easter eggs that are kind of about £1 each, I think? The very, very basic ones. They don't really come with a lot of stuff from Cadbury and other chocolate manufacturers are available. One of those would fit perfectly inside here. That's how it has been designed. So a very, very simple gift box. You can see the lovely egg pattern going on here, and then you've got this nice big floral on the bottom. Very, very sweet. Thank you very much for that one, Vicky. We then have another one here. I have a feeling this is one of the, no, this one's from Roche. So another very springy one I have here in beautiful pale green and pink. Oh, let me just get that over there. There we go. So again, you can see that lovely Easter egg design in here. We've got the sentiment on here too, and that lovely big floral in that lower panel. Very, very nice. Thank you very much for that one, Roche. If I just move this along and see if I can grab this one. There we go. So you do also have decorative panels for the whole way around the base as well. So you really can decorate every single facet of this box. And you can see this one. Look at the lovely little bunny all coloured in on the panel inside here. This one is from Vicky again. Beautiful colouring on that one, Vicky. Very, very sweet. And then we've got just a little bunny peeking out of the inner layer and then the egg on the outside again. And a little Happy Easter tag on this one too. Cute, love it. Okay, moving on. Oh, this one is very, very fun. Lots of bright, springy colours going on here. This one is from Angela, and she's actually gone in with alcohol markers by the looks of it and coloured the die cut layers on here just to give them a little bit more pizzazz and kind of pull out some of the patterns in them. And then layered them onto some mirror card, which you can just see flashing there. Very, very pretty. I like that idea. Moving on, I've got a nice purple one here. This one is also from Angela. And this time she's coloured them again, I think. No. Yes, she has. Alcohol markers again on this one, but in a slightly different way, so to pick out different elements of the pattern. I always thought for a second that it had been cut multiple times and layered up, but no, it is definitely alcohol markered. Very, very nice. I like the little bow on top with little tags hanging from the ribbon tails. Can I reach this end one? Sort of. Oh, hopefully without knocking all of the rest of them over. So this one is using our fabulous Pastel Parade patterned papers. This one is also from Roche. So yeah, using our lovely Easter paper collection. So you can see these lovely little foiled Easter eggs on here. We've got that big sentiment on the front, and then following that colour scheme all the way around. Purples and yellows and pinks. Very, very springy, bright and delightful. Okay, a couple more left at the front. I have a feeling this is the one that's on the packaging. Yes, I think it is. So a slightly different Easter look. This one a bit more elegant and kind of luxurious. This one in a pear view and bubblegum and coral. Very nice combo with some little sequins just highlighting the flower centres all the way around. I like that one a lot. Slightly more grown-up version. And then last one, okay, slightly different again. So this time, I don't know if you can see on here, hopefully you're seeing through it. So this pattern has actually been cut into this inner facet, so you can actually see into the egg. So you could put a battery operated tea light in here and make it a lantern if you wanted to. But then it's been coloured, so it's actually cut from white pearlescent card and then just coloured with alcohol markers over the top. And then we've just got that standard Easter egg pattern on the outside, layered up with some white pearlescent card and just with a little offset layer of blue under there and matted onto pink. Very, very pretty, very springy. I love the colours in that one. So let me just try and rearrange these a little bit. There we go. So that is our extraordinary Easter gift box die set. Ooh, like I said, it's definitely a mouthful. This is available from us now, so you can go directly to our websites and grab one for yourself. That, of course, does mean that if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you do get your 10% TCK discount as well. You can pay in instalments on our website using ShopPay, PayPal and Klarna. At least one of those will be available for you at checkout, so just pick whichever one works best for you. If you do grab this die set, don't forget to tag us in your makes. We absolutely love to see what you are making. Are you going to be making a whole host of Easter egg gift boxes for your children or your grandchildren or your nieces and nephews? Or maybe just for some children that you have that live down the street that you gift things to, or maybe you're making them for church or school. Let us know. We'd love to see how you are going to be using this set. You can post your pictures over on our Tonic Studios official Facebook group, or we are across social media. We are at Tonic Studios basically everywhere, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been making. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell. Ding. And you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!